Is it time to buy or sell BOIL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into BOIL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, April 18, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 6, 2023, our system has ranked BOIL as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.69. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -37.02%. This translates to an average loss of -1.19% per day since it was listed as sell candidate. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -50.76% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -69.06% and -30.57%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -99.63% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -100% and -100.64%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $0.0243 after a year. Our latest daily update for BOIL includes the headline: on Tuesday, BOIL ETF price gained impressive 5.83%. The BOIL ETF price gained 5.83% on the last trading day, Tuesday, April 18, 2023, rising from $3.60 to $3.81. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 7.61% from a day low at $3.55 to a day high of $3.82. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.39% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -12 million shares, and in total, 58 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $220.09 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $140.50, and the lowest price was $2.96. Currently, the price is 97.29%, or $136.69, below the 52-week high, and 99.48%, or $732.99, below the all-time high on November 14, 2018, when the price reached $736.80. The following signals have been identified for BOIL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 6, 2023, and so far it has risen 25.74%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The BOIL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.56. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $3.45. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 318 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 150 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 148 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BOIL. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.61 and $3.36. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, BOIL finds support just below today's level at $3.61. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.36 and $3.03. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.270 between high and low, or 7.61%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 7.78%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BOIL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BOIL is at $4.13. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BOIL encounters its first support level at $3.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this ETF and no stop loss has been set. Is BOIL ETF a good buy? BOIL holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, April 19th, we expect BOIL to open down $0.0833 and start trading at $3.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.